here are some celebrity books that you should give it a try. And yes, इनमें से एक celebrity book का giveaway already चल रहा है. So to know how to win a free book, watch the video till the end. First is this, Perils of Being Moderately Famous by Soha Ali Khan. It's an entertaining book. Here Soha Ali Khan is talking about her childhood as a modern princess and how was it growing up in the illustrious family that she belongs to. And it also has some pictures which are never published before. It's an interesting read. She has also shared about her life from childhood to going to college, then to being a celebrity in this social media culture. Basically, it's an entertaining read, especially for those who love knowing more about celebrities. Next is this, It's Easy to Be Healthy by Malaika Arora. It is not an autobiography or biography. It's a book where she is talking about how you can be fit and healthy in the most easiest way possible. Here she had shared some easy tips and tricks which she has learned from her mother, her grandmother, and which we normal people can follow in our daily lives. So this one is a very helpful book if you are interested into looking as healthy, as gorgeous as Malaika Arora herself. Next is Finding My Way by Malala. So this is a memoir of Malala, like how she went to college, how was it being a celebrity, being in the eyes of so many cameras and media and having critics all the time around her, but still she was a 20-year-old, and how she enjoyed that phase of her life, how she found love, how she got married, and how it was not so easy for her. A book that you can learn a lot from, a book that will help you know about Malala a lot, and it's a fun, entertaining read. So next one is for those who love their kitchens. The Diary of a Domestic Diva by Shilpa Shetty Kundra. So here she has given some recipes. Basically, it's a recipe book with some pictures which will make you hungry by just taking a look at it. Look at this one. So she has shared some healthy recipes that you can use in your kitchen. So it's not a book from which you can sit and learn and understand her life. No, you can understand her diet and take some good suggestions, some healthy options, and make some delicious food for yourself, just how Shilpa Shetty would have made it. Next is The Art of Being a Fabulous by Shalini Pasi. So if you have seen Fabulous Life of Bollywood Wives, you know who Shalini Pasi is and you know how she is. And in the book, she has explained everything that has made her the Shalini Pasi she is today. It is not just a celebrity book. It is a book that will help you grow in life from multiple directions. She has talked about religion, about her family, about philanthropy, and how she reached where she is today. It is not an autobiography. It is something to learn from. There are so many things that you can apply it in your life and make it as fabulous as Shalini Pasi. Next is this, Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra. Autobiography, very interesting read. You learn so much about the celebrity, where they came from, how they became what they became. It will teach you so much. And if you're a Priyanka Chopra fan, you should have it. What are you doing? And yes, it has a lot of interesting pictures. Just gives it more depth. And these are some from her childhood. And you will relate to them even more after you read the book. So this one is also one interesting celebrity book that you can give it a try. Next is my favorite, Mrs. Funnybones by Twinkle Khanna. Yes, if you like reading books, go dive into this one. If you know Twinkle Khanna at all, you will sense it in the writing. The book is not an autobiography actually. It has bits and pieces of her everyday life and it is very entertaining, something that you would not want to finish. So this is the book which made me fan of reading books, and you can give it a try. You never know, maybe you will end up being a reader for life. Try it. Next is Bhaijan. This is something every Bollywood movie lover should have in their house. It has some interesting pictures, some anecdotes, and a journey of Salman Khan from being nobody to somebody to Sultan himself. And yes, we also have a giveaway going on. 3 lucky winners can win a Salman Khan book. What you have to do is just watch a podcast on our YouTube channel and you just have to answer 3 questions that are asked in the podcast. So go watch the video. Link is in the bio, in my story, and in my highlights.